It is my pleasure and honor to welcome you here to the first ever Battle of the Nightingales NCR Cluster. My name is Ken Bahar from Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital, and I will be your host for this afternoon. And so, okay, handa na ba lahat ng 7 participating schools?
Today's event is more than a mere quiz bowl. It is a celebration of the intellectual acumen and dedication that define the nursing vocation. Let this gathering inspire each one of us to continue nurturing a culture of continuous learning, growth, and excellence in healthcare.